Okay, so today we're doing a 2010 Polo 6R 1.2 TDI. They come in 1.6s and all sorts. So we had a damaged handbrake cable, uneven braking on the back. So we have here removed the handbrake shoes. We'll be replacing those, and the wheel cylinders as well. So we've got all of that ready. So we've built up the brake shoes, which we'll show you in another video. And the handbrake cable we have removed. So from the inside of the car, we will show you how to do that a bit later on. But once you've removed these brake shoes, so this cable will be fitted here with the spring hanging out like so. And this cable will be clipped over here with a clip, which you put a screwdriver in and just pull down, and that screw comes off. And it's in this hanger, this cable, and one hanger over here. And then you just drop this plastic panel down by opening the 10mm bolts over here. And then there's this guide tube here, this metal guide tube, which you can see what the cable goes through inside the car. There's no need to remove any seats or anything inside the car. So from here you remove the cable out and you feed it through like so. This is a new handbrake cable. There we go. And that's that. Handbrake cable fitted. And then just feed directly into the handbrake shoes and the hub area. And then afterwards you can pop the clips on just over here. Feed the cable in first. Push this clip on, and then the locking tab just pushes onto these. You're better off just taking a socket, which I'll just grab. You just wait. So gently just push them up to lock the tabs on the actual threads hanging out. So now from here you can see that the handbrake cable, the metal lug is in between the clip here. That's now correctly fitted, and then we push it into this hanger. There we are. And there's another hanger. Which goes in the corner over here. And it's a good idea to just tighten these clips up. You do have to loosen them a bit to get the cable out. So just afterwards, just give them a little squeeze, not too much, just a little squeeze there. And a little squeeze there. That'll just keep them tight and in position for a good few years, because you don't want to be doing this again. And we shall show you inside the car. Okay, so in the car now, we're going to take our new cable, because it's slightly shorter. Just come over a bit. We're going to feed it into this cable balancing mechanism. Like so. And then we're going to do this side one. Like so. That's all in there. So now that's very unbalanced, but let's see how she balances out, and if need be we will replace the other cable as well. So we tighten this just until the cables are just a little bit under tension, and then we back them off a little bit. Another way you can check is just by spinning the wheels and seeing just where they bind, where they start to bind. Just back it off 3 or 4 turns where it starts to bind.